6 Unit 7 Assessment. Question number 1, choose the correct answer. Letter A, 5 over 6 subtract by 3 over 5. We can find the least common multiplication between two denominator 5 and 6. It will be 30. Because 5 and 6 we call that relatively prime numbers. Then we can write 30 in denominator both first and second. And then 6 times 5 equal 30. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 6 equal 30. Then 3 times 6 equal 18. And then write 30 in numerator. 25 minus 18, it will be 7. The result will be 7 over 30. Letter C, 7 over 30. Next question, letter B. 1 over 4 plus 1 over 3 equal space. We can write the least common multiplication between two denominator. 3 times 4 equal 12, because 4 and 3 right here we called it what? Relatively prime numbers, because the highest common factor between 3 and 4 it will be 1. Then 4 times 3 equal 12, and 3 times 1 equal 3. 3 times 4 equal 12, 1 times 4 equal 4, and then we can eat them. 4 plus 3 equals 7, the result will be 7 over 12. Next example, letter C, equivalent fraction 2 over 8. We can write 2 over 8 by simplest, by divided by 2 numerator and denominator. 2 divided by 2 equal 1, and 8 divided by 2 equal 4. The result will be 1 over 4. Choose letter C. Next question, letter D. The smallest like denominator of 1 over 3 and 5 over 8. We have here third and 5 over 8. The least common multiplication between 8 and 3 it will be 0 product. 3 times 8 equal 24. Then the least common multiplication between two denominators 3 and 8 it will be 24. Next example, letter E. 1 subtract by 1 over 3 subtract by 1 over 5. We can write the least common multiplication between two denominators 3 and 5, we call that 15. And then 1 will be equal 15 over 15, subtract by two numbers here, write 15 in the numerator and 15 here. And we know 3 times 5 equal 15, okay? 3 times 5 equal 15, and then 1 times 5 equal 5. 3 times 5 equal 15, 1 times 3 equal 3. And then find the difference between two fractions, write 15 in the numerator and 15 minus 5, it will be 10. Subtract by 3 over 15. We can write 15 in the numerator and 10 minus 3 equals 7. Then the result will be 7 over 15. Question letter F. We can eat two fractions here, right? First, 3 over 7. About this question, G. 3 over 7 subtract by space equal 1 over 7. We can write 7 in numerator. 3 minus 1 equal 2. The result will be 2 over 7. Question letter E. Complete. Two over 3 plus 1 over 5. We can write the least common multiplication between denominator here 3 and 5, it will be 15. Write 15 in the numerator. 3 times 5 equal 15, 2 times 5 equal 10, 3 times 5 equal 15, 1 times 3 equal 3. And then 10 plus 3 equal 13, the result will be 13 over 15. Question letter P. Simplest form of 15 over 27. 15 over 27, we can divide it by 3, numerator and denominator. 3 is the highest common factor between two numbers. Then 15 divided by 3, it will be 5. And 27 divided by 3, it will be 9. The result will be 5 over 9. Okay. Next question. C. If 3 over 4 equal b over 16, then the value of b equals space. 4 times 4 equals 16, and 3 times 4 equals 12, then the value of b equals 12. Question letter D. We want to find the difference between two fractions. 17 subtract by 4 over 10. 17 over 10 subtract by 4 over 10. We can write 10 in denominator, and 17 minus 4, it will be 13. 13 over 10, you can simplify it because it's improper. You can convert it from improper to mixed number. Write 10 in denominator. 1 times 10 equals 10, and the remainder 3. The result will be 1 and 3 over 10. Question letter F. List common multiples of two denominator of 2 over 5 and 1 over 3. We can find their product between two denominator. 5 product by 3 equal 15. Then the list common multiplication, here it will be 15 about question F. Next example, question letter G. 7 over 13 plus 2 over 13 subtract by space equal 4 over 13. 7 plus 2, it will be 9. 9 over 13 subtract by space equal 4 over 13. We can write 13 in the numerator. 9 minus 4, it will be 5. Then the result 5 over 13. Choose the correct answer. This part here colored, we colored here 3 parts from what? From 6 parts, it will be half. Choose letter A. It's equivalent letter A. We have colored half of the figure. Question letter B. Question letter B. 2 over 5, 2 over 4 equivalent space. 2 over 4, we can simplify it by divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 equal 1, and 4 divided by 2 equal 2. It will be half. Look at letter A. He won't find this number equivalent to what? This fraction equivalent to what? Look at letter A. We must solve letter A. 5 over 8 subtracted by 1 over 4. We will solve letter A and B and C and D, and we will choose the result equivalent 2 over 4 or 1 over 2. First step, we can write the least common multiplication between two denominator equal 8. 5 over 8, and here 2 times 4 equal 8, 2 times 1 equal 2, 5 minus 2 equal 3, then the result will be 3 over 8. No, don't choose letter A because the result not equal 1 over 2. What about letter B? 7 over 8 subtracted by 1 over 4, we can write 7 over 8, subtracted by 2 times 1 equal 2, 2 times 4 equal 8, 7 minus 2, it will be 5, the result will be 5 over 8, don't choose letter B. What about letter C? 5 over 6 subtracted by 1 over 3, we can write 5 over 6 subtracted by 2 times 1 equal 2, 2 times 3 equals 6, write 6 in the numerator, and 5 minus 2, it will be 3, 3 over 6, we can simplify it by divided by 3, numerator and numerator. 3 divided by 3 equal 1, 6 divided by 3 equal 2, the result will be 1 over 2, so then you must choose letter C about question B. Question B, okay, was question B, choose letter C. Next question, letter C, we want to find the difference between two fractions here. Letter C, we have 7 over 8 subtract by 2 over 3. We can write the least common multiplication between them. It will be what? It will be 24. Their product, because 8 and 3 we call that relatively prime numbers. Then the least common multiplication between 8 and 3 it will be their product. 3 times 8 equals 24, and 3 times 7 it will be 21. 2 times 8 equals 16. Then find the difference between them. 21 subtracted by 16 it will be 5. The result will be 5 over 24. Question D. Letter D. 2 over 3 plus 1 over 5. We can write the least common multiplication between two denominator here. It will be 15. Write 15 in the numerator. 3 times 5 equals 15. 2 times 5 equals 10. 3 times 1 equals 3. And then 10 plus 3 equals 13. Then the result will be 13 over 15. Next question, letter D. Okay. Letter E. 4 over 9 plus 5 over 9. We can write 9 in the numerator. 5 plus 4 it will be 9. 9 divided by 9 equals 1. Question letter F. 5 over 6 subtract by 1 over 3. We can write 6. Least common multiplication between 6 and 3. And write 5 over 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. 1 times 2 equals 2. Write 6. 5 minus 2 it will be 3. 3 over 6 divided by 3 numerator and denominator. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Next example. Question letter G. 1 subtract by space equal 5 over 8. We can convert here 1 equal 8 over 8 and then find the difference between two numbers. Write 8 over 8 subtract by space equal 5 over 8. You can write 8 in the numerator, and 8 minus 5 equal 3. Then you can write 3 over 8, okay, in the space. The result here will be 3 over 8, okay. Next question, number 4. Answer the following. Ahmed bought 5 over 7 kilogram of grapes. He used 2 over 3 kilogram of grapes to make a juice. How much kilogram are left? We can find the left here by finding the difference between two numbers here. Okay. Question number 4. We can find the difference between 5 over 7 kilogram and 2 over 3. 3 and 7, the least common multiplication between them, it will be 21. 3 times 5 equals 15, 2 times 7 equals 14, then the difference between them, 15 minus 14, it will be 1. Then the result here will be 1 over 21 kilogram. Understood? The result will be what? 5 over 7 subtracted by 2 over 3. 3 times 5 equals 15, 7 times 2 equals 14, the difference between 1. And the result will be 1 over 21 kilogram. This is a left with him. Okay, question was letter A. Letter B. Evaluate each expression by rewriting the fraction with like denominator. Okay, I will solve here letter B. Question number 1. 5 over 7 plus 2 over 3. We can write the least common multiplication between 3 and 7 times them. It will be 21. Here 21. 3 times 5 equal 15. 7 times 2 equal 14. Write 21 in the numerator and then write 29 here. The result will be 29 over 21. But 29 over 21 we call it improper. You must convert from proper to mixed number. 29 divided by 21 equal 1, and remember what? Remember 8. 1 times 21 equal 21 plus 8 equal 29. Then the result will be 1 and 8 over 21. Next question, number 2. 1 subtract by 1 over 4, subtract by 2 over 3. We can write 12, the least common multiplication between all denominator. 12 over 12 to be 1, 3 times 4 equal 12, 1 times 3 equal 3, 3 times 4 equal 12, 2 times 4 equal 8. And then first step, difference between two numbers here, 12 minus 3 it will be 9, subtract by 8 over 12, and then write 12 in the numerator, 9 minus 8 equal 1, the result will be 1 over 12, okay. Next question, letter C. Write the following fraction with like numerator. We have 2 over 3 and 2 over 3 and 3 over 8. We can raise the least common multiplication between two denominators. We know 3 equal 3 and 8 equal 2 times 2 times 2. Then the least common multiplication between them it will be zero product, because 8 and 3 we call it relatively prime numbers. The least common multiplication between them it will be 3 times 8 equal 24. Then you can write 24 here about 2 over 3. 3 times 8 equal 24 and 2 times 8 equals 16. And we have 3 over 8. Write 24 in the numerator. 3 times 8 equal 24 and 3 times 3 equal 9. Then we can write here two fractions by write the least common multiplication between them. Next example, find the value of k here. Question number 1. 3 over 4 equal k over 20. We know 4 times 5 equal 20, and then 3 times 5 equal 15. Then the value of k equal 15. Question number 2. 1 over 3 plus k equal 5 over 6. Then k equal 5 over 6 subtract 1 over 3. We can write 6 in the numerator. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 1 equals 2. Then the difference will be 3 over 6. 3 over 6 we can simplify it by divided by 3 numerator and numerator. It will be half. In the value of k here it will be 1 over 2.